This is exact thing I will be teaching you in this video. Therefore, watch it.
Conversations that are interesting around you at a dinner table, in a networking event. If you listen to the people that are gathering, the group of 8 that are listening to them, the way they're talking is different. The way they start is different.
Therefore, let's go to the screen of my phone where I will show you how to do this. For your video editing in Canva, on how to add or overlay videos and pictures over other videos in Canva. This is how you go about it. Go to the up here and click on the video. The next thing, you click on the blank page. Then I have a video I want to make use of. Then I've already uploaded it. I will click on upload. Then click on video. This is it. Then I click on it. Then the next thing, I click on.
And if you listen to the conversations that are interesting around you at a dinner table, in a networking event, if you listen to the people that are gathering, the group of 8 that are listening to them, the way they're talking is different. The way they start is different.
Then the next thing, you click on this 3 dotted line at the upper side here. In order to make the video fit in the page, you click on set video as background. Okay. Adding video over a video is very useful when you are, probably delivering a speech, or probably you are telling a story and you want to probably add a video or probably a picture to illustrate what you're saying. Therefore, the next thing, I will click on the element at the bottom here. Then, this is it. I will need to scroll up to look for the section where we're having grid. This is it. Then I will need to click on the first option we're having there. I click on this. Immediately I click on it, it fits in the page. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I want to insert video on the video I'm having there already.
And if you listen to the conversations that are...
Therefore, I click on elements on the search bar. People gathering. I want people gathering. Okay. Then the next thing, I will need to click on video. Then let me click on this. Okay, this is it. Then what you are going to do, as it is, look at it. You can see the purple rectangle at the edge of the video. I mean the timeline. You can see. Therefore, you just drop it. It has taken the place of the grid. Therefore, the next thing I'm going to do, this very particular video, then I click on it. Then I will come to the bottom here. Then you come to where we're having the scissors icons. I click on it. Then the aspect that I need, then I will need to probably crop it. Okay, look at it. This is the aspect. This is the area I want. Okay, 3.0. I'm okay with it. Then the next thing, I will click on the video. Then I will come to the bottom here where we're having the 3 dotted line. We're having more under it. You click on it. Then you come here to click on show timing. You can see. This indicates that when the video is playing, when do I want the overlay video to appear? Therefore, I will need to reduce the time to 3 seconds. Don't forget that the video, when I did the editing previously, I fixed it for 3. Then I will need to fix this for 3 as well. Then let me play it and see what will happen.
Interesting around you at a dinner table, in a networking event.
You can see that the overlay video, I mean the video I added, immediately it gets to where we're having the purple timeline. It displays the video we're having there. That is the essence of overlaying a video on another video, most especially when you are working on your video editing using Canva. So this is the exact place I want it to appear. Or if I don't want it here, I can still click on it on the timing. You can see I can drag it and fix it here. It depends on where you want it to appear, but I want it to appear where I fixed it, previously. This is it. I want it here.
If you listen to the people that are gathering the group of 8 that are listening to them, the way they're talking is different.
Another thing I want to fix here, I will need to fix picture. Therefore, we need to add photo on this. But before achieving this, you need to click on the video that I added on the original one. Look at it. Therefore, I've already clicked on the video. Then the next thing that we need to click on duplicate to have it duplicated. I've duplicated it. You can see this is it here. The next thing that we need to go to the elements. Then we have people gathering. Then I will need to click on photos. This time around, I want to make use of photo. Then I will need to click on photo of people gathering. Then I pick this. You can see. Look at it. You are going to hold the picture and drag it. You can see. You can see that immediately I dragged it. It display the purple rectangle. Therefore, you leave it by dropping it there. Then the next thing you click on it. Then you bring it here. If you want to do another video, probably you want to add like 3, 4, 5 video. That is the way you are going to do it, by duplicating this. Once you duplicate this, then you now go to your element or probably your upload and have your video there, and so on and so forth. Now, if you observe this very well, look at it. The two are on top of each other. Now, to do the video editing, in order to be perfect, I will need to take the photo. Look at it. Therefore, this one, I will need to bring it here. We don't want it there. I want it to appear here. Then I will need to fix it here. That is how to go about this. Aside from that, probably if you want to work on it, then you click on this. Once you click on it, you can see that the page has been highlighted. Or if you click on this, look at it. Look at the purple timeline. You can see. Once you click on this, this will be highlighted. Once you click on the other one, that is how to go about this. Then this very particular one, let's assume the photo. I want it to appear just 2 seconds. 2 seconds, I'm okay. Then let me bring it here. Then let me play it.
At a dinner table, in a networking event, if you listen to the people that are gathering the group of 8 that are listening to them, the way they're talking is different. The way they start is different.
You can see. That is how to go about making our video editing in Canva by adding or overlaying videos or pictures over another video. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, and comment at the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.